Today in Tech Talk 101 SD. How to create WhatsApp channel. Recently you might have noticed that where previously you saw status, now it's called updates. Scroll down and you will see channels. Now there are a few suggested channels over there, or you can tap on find channels and search for a channel. You will also see some category like all, most active, popular, or you can select by country. The plus button does the same. Now you can create channel. But for that you need WhatsApp green tick verification. First, understand what is a WhatsApp green tick badge. The green tick badge on WhatsApp allows users to identify official brand accounts on the platform quickly. It signifies that it's a WhatsApp verified account and belongs to the company it claims to be. WhatsApp takes verification and validation of business accounts seriously to safeguard its users from spam and fake accounts. Let's look at how to get started with the verification process. Here are the procedures to follow before you even get started with the process of applying for a WhatsApp green tick badge. You must first register for the WhatsApp Business API and set up a business account through a business solution provider. However, it is essential to note that the green tick badge is not available on the free WhatsApp Business app. Reach out to people daily through business-initiated messages. Through these messages, you will demonstrate to WhatsApp that you are actively and seriously utilizing the platform for your business efforts. Verify your business on the Meta Business Manager. Verifying your Facebook Business Manager account through Meta Business Manager is to ensure that the account belongs to a reputable organization. To be eligible for verification, your business must be legally registered with local authorities and have a valid phone number and physical address. Build brand value. Enable two-step verification. You can either apply for a WhatsApp green tick verification on your Meta Business Manager or with the help of a business service provider.